A tragic scene Tuesday morning. At least 8 people are dead and 40 others hospitalized after a bus crash in Central Florida.
The vehicles had a collision of a side swipe type manner.
The crash happening on State Route 40 in Marion County, about 45 miles south of Gainesville. Authorities said a retired white painted school bus and a pickup truck collided, sending the bus off the road, breaking through a fence and then hitting a tree. It overturned, landing sideways in an empty field. More than 30 ambulances responded to the scene. The Florida Highway Patrol says the bus was carrying more than 50 migrant farm workers who were heading to their jobs.
We're the 5th largest county in this state. We are a very big agricultural county. So this time of year, we always have migrant workers that are in our county that are on buses just like this.
The sheriff adding he believes all the farm workers have proper documentation.
They're hard-working individuals, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with them being here.
Florida Highway Patrol is investigating.
I'm confident we will have answers for the family to be able to get them closure of why we had this crash today.
Authorities say a full investigation of the crash will take up to 6 months to complete. In Atlanta, Jonathan Seri, Fox News.